Camera's working. Not now! God! Any one of y'all want a broken Ethernet cable? This is a crap speaker. No wonder, it's Bluetooth, so you know. I bought it off Wish. In fact, it was only 18 bucks, right? 18 bucks. The price was relatively okay since it's a Bluetooth speaker and you get a little crab thing. Look at it. It's pretty nice. You get a really big speaker in there. The box came in really smushed up and broken, but that was fine. The crab is fine.
If you look at the pictures here.
As you can see on the pictures right on this screen right now. The only thing they didn't do great was this leg. This thing. They kind of ruined it, but that's fine. It strikingly resembles a real crab. It's pretty nice because the eyes move for some... The crab shell is very detailed. I mean, it only has a little bit of dimples, but it looks like a real crab. It's high quality plastic, which is surprising given the fact that it was bought off of Wish. So now, let's test out the speaker quality.
Music.
It's extremely loud. Very loud. Forgot the Android quality still exists. There it goes.
Как се зове? Как се зове тази музика?
NCS faded. Shut up! What else music would I put than NCS fade?
Деника води по звучник.
It is!
Ти звучник.
Right there. God. That's the microphone. It's awesome because it has a lot of bass.
It has no bass.
I like to think it has bass. The speaker is very nice, given the fact that it was bought off of Wish, but it has blue lights, which ruin your eyes. Yeah, you can put your SD card in, and you can turn it off.
SM tuner.
You have an SM radio, FM radio. You got line in, which does absolutely nothing, because you have to use it with this.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Ready to pair. Anyway, I think it's very good. It's definitely worth the money. I mean, it's a great speaker. We'll just say that.